Honor 90 with Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, 256GB, not expandable storage, 5000 mAh battery, 66 watt maximum charging. It's a huge box, so probably a lot of accessories. Let's see what's inside. SIM card tray. Are we going to have a case? Well, there's no case. Come on. Only the manual. Well, no one will read that manual. Ever. Let's put it aside. We do have a cable. USB Type A to USB Type C. Pretty long cable. But where's the charger? There's nothing. Where's the charger? So why the box is so huge? What is this? What are they doing? No. We need to have a charger. We need to have the full thing. No. So it was a bit misleading, that box. But the smartphone itself, wow, that is a shiny smartphone. Well, W's case, could use it as a mirror and a smartphone. Wow. Premium look. I like that. Power button on the right, volume buttons on the right, microphone on the top, antennas, there's nothing on the left, and on the bottom, microphone, SIM card tray, USB Type-C, and single speaker. And of course, tons of cameras with a flash. Fingerprint sensor. That is quick. Look at the beautiful screen. Wow, it is gorgeous. 120 Hz dynamic screen. What does that mean? Display, refresh rate, dynamic, balance, smooth, and battery life with a max refresh rate up to 120 Hz. Or you can set it for 120 or 90 or 60 if you wanted to. There's a dedicated My Honor app which will show you the warranty days left, 730, YouTube audio. Put a little bit of volume. There is only one speaker, unfortunately. This is the maximum volume. Okay, this is not a fantastic audio experience. It's only one speaker. You can clearly hear it from the down there. It's clean, but there's only one. Why not put two of them? I will happily pay $100 extra to have stereo speakers in this smartphone. By the way, the screen, wow, that colors, that's amazing. Camera. And wow, portrait mode. It's following my face nicely. Bokeh effect. Okay, there's a window behind me, so it will be very bright. If we snap a photo, how good this will be with the difficult scenario. And is it going to correct itself? It did correct itself photo, but that's nothing, because in more department we have high res. And with high res, we have even more resolution. There you go, in front facing camera. That's 8160 to 6112, but this is front facing camera. Wow, clarity. And we have 16,256 to 12,190, and it was like 26 megabytes. Damn. And the quality, the sharpness. In the video department, there is autofocus in wide angle lens, which is tremendously good. Also, you can switch to the front and the rear lens during the recording. Bam. And there's also additional, it should be here, noise reduction. We're going to test it out. There's also a multi-video with very cool animation and many more features. Bear in mind, this is just an unboxing video. Full review coming soon. Let me show you some photo and video samples. Selfie time. Wow, what a separation. There's literally no issues with it. It's perfect. Bokeh effect, killing it. Red. Most of the smartphones can handle shot like that. There'll be a big red blob in the middle. No leaves at all. This one catch all the leaves and separate the red from the green very nicely. It looks a little bit artificial, but it's AI. 200 megapixel picture. If we zoom in, you can barely see any pixels. That's the power of 200 megapixel. Directly to the sun. It didn't flare it. It didn't overexpose the photo. AI. Wow. Winning. AI is winning. Maybe if I just like this. Whoa. The amount of details. This is a very difficult picture. Most of the smartphones can handle it. And the pepper will be like overexposed. It's a bit underexposed. That pepper in real life is a bit more darker red. It's a bit bright. But still, a lot of details. Beautiful. 200 megapixels. Directly to the sun. And behind the sun. Wow. A little bit too sharp. A tiny bit. Now it's okay. I mean, the sky is a bit too sharp. I could be wrong. Maybe I'm just seeing things. But it looks great. Awesome. And at night also, okay, at night it's a bit too sharp. This photo is extremely sharp. But what about video at night? That is the question. Vlogging at night. I mean, there's a lot of artificial light, but there's an option to mute the background noise. There's a lot of cars on there and wind noise. What if I go close to the street? A lot of car noise. Noise reduction on. Is that a huge difference? Noise reduction on, noise reduction off. Do you hear the difference? Wide angle, macro. Wow. Check out the details. Looks beautiful. A little bit more flowers. There they are. Conclusion, it feels very nice in the hand. It has dedicated app market. If you wanted to, there's also a Play Store, so it feels very nice in the hand. It's not slippery at all. This is a fingerprint magnet, of course, but you don't need to use a case. It's not slippery. In this price range, it's very impressive. The only downside for it is that one speaker, which is cool, but why just one? That's the only downside. But if you don't care about the speaker and care about the camera, and the overall experience and how smooth is your smartphone, how everything works, this could be a smartphone for you, but wait for the full review and the camera test. That's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.